Hello everyone, this is FX PathFinder from Traders Institute, and today I'm going to review a few trades I took last night. Current time is 10:10 a.m. Eastern Time on March 22nd, 2012, which is a Thursday. Now I was looking at the Great British Pound US Dollar 1 hour time frame, and the market broke the inner upward trend line and made a low in the sell zone with 2 candlesticks to the left, 2 candlesticks to the right. So I went ahead and used the Fibonacci's from the MTI 4.0 charting software, and I waited for the market to pull back bullish and form a bearish candlestick. Right at the 618 bounce, what was taught, meaning to short the market towards the south, stop at 1.5930, but because of the time was only 10 p.m. Eastern Time during the Asian session, and we know that around 3 a.m. Eastern Time, the majority of, or 75% of all transactions take place during the Forex. I waited, and then around 3 a.m., the market pulled back. I got my entry south, this long wick towards the north at the close of the 3 a.m. candlestick, indicating that this test was now over, so I shorted at 1.5876. I also knew that in an hour and a half that the fundamental announcements were coming out for the Eurozone, as well, which were all the PMIs, as well as the retail sales. Overall, expecting negative results. Since it was negative results, I was anticipating the Great British Pound US Dollar to fall. And as we can see, the market immediately fell bearish. I did not have a predetermined limit. I was looking at limit out at this D extension of 1.618. But as when I got up at 6 o'clock and I saw the market starting to go indecision, I decided to close out with just around 80 pips. And then here we are, current date, where the market's still in decision. I'm going to anticipate a pullback or the market form a high, lower than this high, and then should fall bearish once again. The other trade that I took was the Euro US Dollar 1 hour time frame. This is pretty similar to what I was doing before. We still have the same down A, B, C, D swing. My last trade, I shorted the market towards the south, took advantage of the first dip of the bearish point, and said if the market pulls back bullish and forms a high lower than this high, I was going to reshort. Well, I went ahead and drew my down A, B, C, D swings, and that's exactly what happened. The market did pull back bullish and came up, formed a bearish candlestick formation, and went ahead and shorted the market at 1.3243 at the test of this engulfing bearish candlestick. Same time, approaching 3 a.m. Eastern Time, we got this huge engulfing bearish candlestick, or a new evening star, indicating the market was going to push. That was because of the PMI, and then retail sales came out for Great British Pound, and here we currently are. Now I just went ahead and just closed out of this trade with just over 80 pips. Overall, did push 114 pips, but taking 80 pips wasn't too upset about. Let me go ahead and show you the P&L statement for the morning. Now these trades only took 3 hours to fulfill. I entered in all my trades around 3 a.m. The second short trade in the Great British Pound was just after 3 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes after. But then I went ahead and closed out at 6:34 a.m. Eastern Time, netting 83 pips, 81 pips, 83 pips, total of 248 pips. I'm trading with 5 mini lots, so 1,241 US dollars in about 3 hours worth of time. Now, if you want to know how I'm obtaining my information of reading the Forex and obtaining my results, go ahead and click on the link below and come learn what I'm learning, the technical analysis side, as well as learn about the MTI 4.0 charting software, which allows you to use Fibonacci's, hand-drawn trendline support resistance, and draw on your chart, which is pretty nice, and the upcoming fundamental announcements, putting it all together and understanding the whys of why the market goes up and why the market goes down. So go ahead and click on the link below, and we'll see you on ForexTips.com. This is FX PathFinder from Traders Institute.